impossible talaga yung consent. Even if the child agreed to money or the act, it is still qualified trafficking. So, trafficking commodifies human beings, treating them as objects. Isa to, no? Kaya, dapat alam natin, yung trafficking hindi basta-basta para sa pera. Ginagawa kasi yung tao, parang object lang, parang motor, parang bagay na pwedeng ibenta. Okay? So, never ask a minor if they consented. The law presumes that they cannot. Okay? Dapat alam nyo yan. Yes. Qualified trafficking. Sorry. Qualified trafficking. I-define natin yung mga batas. Ilagay ko sa handout yung buong law. So, People versus Lali, alam nyo saan to? This is Zamboanga. Okay? So, victim was hired for a restaurant job. Tapos yung passport photo niya, pinalitan lang para magmukhang mas matanda siya. So, he was delivered to Pipen Club in Malaysia. She was forced into prostitution to pay the debts. Ang sabi kasi doon, magtatrabaho lang. Yung pala ginawa na siyang prostitution. So, yung rescue, yung victim, tinawagan niya yung sister niya. Buti nakatawag siya, tapos na-rescue siya doon sa Malaysia. Yung brother-in-law niya nag-pose as a customer. Tapos nakita na siya doon, na-identify na positive na andoon siya sa Malaysia as a prostitute. So, the Supreme Court here, ang ruling is that it is illegal recruitment and trafficking in person. So, important Pwedeng dalawa.